Pretty cool, right? And guess what? I made this entire CGI ad in just a few minutes using only two tools, ChatGPT and Edimakor. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step. So if you've ever wanted to make ads like this, stick around. Let's dive in. Step 1. Writing the prompt for your CGI ad. First, open ChatGPT. Now type in a prompt like this. I'm making a 3-scene commercial ad for a strawberry-flavored fizzy drink. Then explain each scene. Keep it simple and clear. What's happening in scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. After that, add this line at the end. Please give each scene in 1 to 2 lines, ready to use in AI video generation tools. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate ready-to-use prompts for all 3 scenes. Easy, right? Now let's move to the next step. Step 2. Generate images in Edimakor. Now open Edimakor. If you don't have it installed, the download link is in the video description. Once Edimakor is open, go to the AI image section. Here, copy the prompt for your first scene from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Adjust the settings as needed. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a beautiful, professional-looking image for scene 1. Looks great, right? Repeat this same process for scene 2 and scene 3. Now you've got your full ad storyboard ready as images. Step 3. Turn images into animated videos. Now that your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. Right-click on the first image and select Image to Video. Paste the same prompt you used earlier for that image. Adjust the settings, whatever works best for your scene. Now click Generate, and boom, your image turns into a smooth animated video. Just wow, right? Do the same thing for the rest of your images, and you'll have all 3 video scenes ready to go. Step 4. Add final touches and export. Now that all your animated scenes are ready, drag them onto the timeline. Let's make it look even better. I'm adding a blur transition between scenes to make it smoother. Next, let's pick some great background music to match the fun, fizzy vibe. This track sounds perfect, so I'm using it here. Trim the clips if needed, make any final adjustments, and once you're happy with it, hit Export. And just like that, your CGI product ad is done in just a few minutes. And that's it. Wasn't that fun and easy? Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try it out yourself. You'll be amazed at what you can create. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart, simple tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.